What's up, fan guys and girls? What we're doing today is bonding on fender flares. I'm going for the blended in look and everything else, so I opted to use screws and the fiberglass reinforced body plastic. That stuff, whether you know it or not, that's actually a pretty good bonding agent as well. One of the things I want to emphasize too is my camera angles here, but you want to make sure when you install, mud flap style flares, you want to make sure the bottoms are perpendicular, get everything screwed up and in there, and make sure that you pre-fit everything. And what I also did was, because these had some extra holes, you could see in the video, I put I spray painted the areas where the bolts were, and that indicated where the screws went, because it's like full-on panic mode when you're putting these things on, because you don't want this stuff to kick off while you're halfway on. That's bad. And what I used was just the Bondo glass. Works excellent. It's strong. To be honest, with my screws in, the thing ain't going anywhere anyway, but that's what I like to use to bond them on. I also, it's hard to see, but I do draw a mark on the body and the flare. This way you have a reference mark where the flare goes, because once you're getting these all bonded on, things go very quickly. So now we're over at the front one here. I also marked it from the bottom side because, to be honest, when I did this, because it's a lower vehicle and I'm a tall guy, I was laying on my side and I got this all screwed up and in. So that's another little tip. But you want to make sure that you have your screw gun ready, fully charged, all your screws laying out, and everything else. But just wanted to share a couple of these little tips. I know it's probably not a very complicated process, but you know what? If you've learned one thing from me today, that's great. And happy trucking. And check out our page, Cross Country Garage, and hit the like button and subscribe. See y'all later.